Hi guys, today we are going to do an unboxing video. Since this is the holiday season, prior to Black Friday, during the Black Friday, I bought quite a few items. First, let's talk about clothing. I love the brand called Aritzia. So I actually only got 3 items from the website during the Black Friday. There's 2 items arrived early, so I just want to show you guys what I have. I got this mini skirt. This one actually is not on sale. It's a regular price. So this black skirt, I think it would go so well with my turtleneck sweaters and also some white like cozy sweaters as well. That's why I bought this. Since I'm so short and when I saw this on the model, it just like perfect length for me to wear. So that's why I got it. I got a size 0. On the belly part, it's a little tight, but I do want to force myself to lose that 1 or 2 pounds more on my belly. And the second one I got is a jumper. Of course, it's black again. This exactly same as the one I'm wearing right now. It's red. I got in black. The reason why I got black is this is so pretty on me. However, this color, I just can't find a season to wear this color. I mean, holiday season of course makes sense. If I want to go work with this color, it's a little too much for me. So that's why I'm glad this black one, it's on sale. It went from $178 to $88. I remembered I got this, so it's like dropped almost $100. This is 2 clothing I got from Aritzia, and there's another sweater is coming. It's black, of course. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just obsessed with black. I've also got a black boots from Everland. What happened is I couldn't find my Chanel boots, like my all-time favorite black boots. It's so comfortable, so chic, so beautiful. It's like my all-time favorite. I just need that black boots, but I couldn't find it anymore. So I need a black boots. Also, my friend told me that she got something from Mango. I never ever shopped at Mango before, but I went their site. There are so many cute sweaters. I got a few pieces of sweaters. Hopefully I will get them next week. If you guys want to see more try on or unboxing videos, please subscribe and leave the comments below. So I will probably do another video before Christmas. And also I got this Nike shoes. I have a lot of sneakers, but I realized I don't have a running shoes. I tend to be running around the neighborhood. It's so beautiful out here. And I was like, I need a pair of proper sneakers. That's why I got this Nike sneakers from Amazon. Like this holiday, I didn't buy any skincare, mask, everything I need. So I just feel like I don't need to save that 20% to get more skincare. I didn't have a lot to use till next year. So I'm good on skincare. I did got this Babe Lash for it's a lash serum to help you to grow lashes. This one works really well. You guys probably see the vlog I did. I was putting the lash extension by myself. I realized I pull my own lashes when I'm doing the lash extension. So I feel like I do need this serum to help me to grow my own lashes. So that's why I got this Babe Lash. It works really well. It's like $50 or $60. Because my boyfriend works at a luxury department store, so he gets freebies all the time. So we just recently received Augustinus Bader. I'm not sure. Let's call this AB. They give us the cream and the rich cream. My assumption is the cream is a lighter version and the rich cream is a heavier version for dry skin. Some introduction here. So the cream and the rich cream help to minimize frown lines and wrinkles, even skin tone, and increase overall skin health. Each cream provides certain support for a more supplied appearance, so the skin will look hydrated and smooth. Over time, wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and redness appear reduced. So that's the whole introduction for this product. I assume this is for anti-aging and people who have fine lines, wrinkles. This will help you to reduce it. I mean, it's unboxing, right? And funny enough, I was watching Michelle Fan's YouTube video. She just like randomly posted it this morning, and I saw her skincare routine. I saw this that she put it on. I was like, oh my god, okay. So at least I know someone's using it. Probably is really expensive too. I have no idea how much it is. I'm gonna check later to see how much. Ooh, the packaging's so fancy. Oh my god, it reminds me of who? What's that? Guerlain. Oh yeah, looks like Guerlain packaging. The package is really nice. Look at this bottle right here. Oh wow, it's like fancy and it's heavy. And it's gold glass, it's not plastic. Okay, let's see what it feels like. Okay, it's a pump. Ooh. It's very creamy. Okay, it's lightweight. Very creamy. I can tell it's very hydrating. Compare the two. Okay, it doesn't have any smell to it. You know what? I wanted to see how the rich cream feels like. Because my skin is so dry right now. I'm not even kidding. I have to put oil and a very heavy cream at night. So my face wouldn't dry up in the morning. It's just like crazy how dry my skin is right now. Once you hit that 30-year-old, oh my god, your skin just dry and dry up. The rich cream and the cream has the same bottle. It looks like exactly the same. But let's see what it feels like. Okay. Okay, it doesn't have any smell. Oh, it's thicker. Yeah. Oh, actually, I can't wait to try it. It feels really good. I'm gonna put it on my neck. Wow. I can't wait to try them. I think I probably would do the rich cream at night and just to see how it feels like and how my skin's gonna improve. Right? Next, thank you Paul's Earbuds sending me this. All my friends know I love tech products like DJI drone, I love cameras. I have a lot of like techie products at home. Do want to do reviews, but I just don't know if you guys want to see those tech products review. But anyhow, so thank you for sending this. This is the earbuds, wireless earbuds. You have a smartphone, so this will connect to every single type of phone. I have an iPhone, and this comes with a user manual. Every single features they have. It's kind of cool. I will show you guys later. So this is the packaging of it. I feel like this aluminum texture. It's really nice. It has that heavy to it. It would be perfect gift for my boyfriend actually. So it will show the percentage of a charge you have. So it's 98% charge so far. Yeah, and also this is the earbuds. On each earbuds would say R and L. So R is right and this is L. And I just go to the settings. Okay, right now. So it's a G16C. Okay, so it's already connected. Let's do Bruno Mars. So actually once you wear all this, you don't need your phone anymore. You can control everything through the earbuds. Okay, so if you wanted to play the music, you just click and we'll start playing the music. Pause, you just tap again, we'll pause the music for you. If it's too loud, you can just press this to bring down left. If the music is too low, you can bring up here, just press here, went up. And if you want to switch to different music, what you can do is tap this twice. And this is what goes to the next music, okay? So this has a lot of functionality to it. You just need time to play with it. I feel like once you have the headphones on, you don't really need your phone anymore. When you went out for a run or anything, you just like tap all this like operation from your earbuds. That's it. You have Apple's noise cancellation is better than the Pause earbuds. However, the price, oh my god, this is only $50 right now. Original is $99, and now you save 50%. You can go to their website to get it. I love their design. It's very high quality and it could be a really good gift for Christmas. So this is my favorite cookie from Moku. So it's a Japanese brand, but it's important in America. I bought from Neiman Marcus. They're so freaking delicious. I already finished the whole box of it. I bought like at least like 20 of them, just giving out as a Christmas gift for my friends and family, and I have extra ones for myself. I just want to show you guys how cute the packaging is and how tasty they are. They're so good. This is $36. It's a holiday packaging. It's so cute. I buy this every year. So they also have different size of the cookies. I got the smaller size, but this like cookies are so good. They have different flavors. They have a chocolate, they have coconut flavor. I'll tell you guys my favorite. If my family and friends are watching this, please don't buy it because I probably bought this for you as a Christmas gift. So when you open it up, it's come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I love this the most, and this is original. It's called Yuku Moku cigar. And this one has chocolate in it, as I remembered. So this is Yuku Moku cigar chocolate. And all these cookies are so freaking good. And the packaging, oh man, look at this. Isn't that cute? Is this cute? Aren't you so happy if you received this or giving this as a gift? So this has, I believe, having total 36 pieces. On the Neiman Marcus website, they do have individual packaging just for the cigar and other cookies. But this combination is my favorite because you can literally try everything. And this inside has a coconut in it. Oh my god. Guys, one last thing I forgot about this. Freaking lace! I've been seeing their Instagram ads all the time, 24/7. And finally, they went on sale for $95, $94. I saved $50 for this. Oh my god. I freaking finally got this. At least half year seeing their ads on Instagram. Even I went to Joshua Tree with my girlfriends. Airbnb we stayed, used their pen, and just make me like, I want it so badly, but I don't need it. They're on sale, which is good price. I don't know. I don't know what is good price or not, but it feels like I saved $50 that things I don't need. The packaging, it's not bad. I got the pink, of course. They're probably the most popular color. Ow. And they're not too heavy. It's like this. And oh, they give you a little sponge for scrubbing away the dishes. Okay, that's cute. I like the packaging. Okay, they also give a drainer, which is cute. I also wanted to buy the bamboo one as a steamer, but they are back ordered till February, so I didn't get it. I like the texture of this and matte finish. I like their packaging. This bag isn't like other bags. It's biodegradable bag, so they have this mindset of helping the environment. That's cute. I like that. Okay. I literally bought this because Instagram ads and the things I don't need. Alrighty, I'm going to cook some pasta for myself now. I'll see you guys later. Bye!